This next report that I'm going to show you is the Sales by Time report. To get to the Sales by Time report, you're just going to go to Reporting, Sales, and Sales by Time. This report helps with scheduling. It'll tell you how much you've done in sales and quantity hour by hour. So it'll tell you what you've sold, say from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So you can see your busiest times throughout the day, and that helps with scheduling your help for the sales floor. So this is another simple report to set up. You just have two different tabs here, Report Options and Report Criteria. You have what sales period you want to analyze. So it'll show the sales period. You can click on the drop down and choose which sales period. I'm just going to choose previous month on this one. You have what period would you like to compare, so I could compare previous month and compare that to last year. And then you have what would you like to show the percent of total, and I just usually check print percent of total, so it gives you percent on the report. If you click on Report Criteria, all this has is if you are at the top level and you want to do this by stores, you can either leave this blank where it'll print all your stores, or you can put an individual store or multiple stores on this line. If you're at the store level, up at the top right hand corner, say store 1, you would not even see this. And when you're ready to run the report, we can just go down to Add Job and run it. This will bring you to the report history. We're going to go ahead and select the Sales by Time report and open it up. And here it is. So we selected the period of June 1st through June 30th. That was the previous month. So it's going to show you what period we selected. And it's going to show you each day of the week. So there may be, 3 Sundays, 4 Sundays within that period. It's going to combine all of the Sundays together here. So you're only going to see Sunday once. It's all based on the period that you choose. So on Sunday it lists the hours that we were open. So starting at 11, so between 11 and 12 we had 16 tickets. There were 31 items on those tickets, and the total net sales was this amount, and then the percentage. If there was sales last year in that same period, it would list that to the right. Then it shows you from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, etc. on down the line. Since there were 3 Sundays in that period that we selected, it shows you the 3-day average for the Sundays and the total net sales. Then it moves to the next day of the week, Monday, and it shows you the same information. So you can really tell which days you're busiest, which times you're busiest, and be able to change the schedule if needed to have the right number of employees in the store to handle your customers. Then it just goes to the next day, Tuesday, on to Wednesday, Thursday, throughout the week. And if you want to get to the end, you can click on the last page icon, and you'll see the last day of the week, Saturday. Then it will show you all days combined. So it's going to show you totals, all days, that same period, and again exactly what you did in sales. Number of tickets, the quantities, and then how many days. This is the average, and this is the total net sale. The average. So that is the Sales by Time report.